Hi, welcome back. If it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha Kemirembe. This is Atutaka Solutions. If you're going to watch this video on YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching it on TikTok, follow. Facebook, follow. Atutaka Solutions. Okay. Here we do take business tips, investment stuff, tips. The things I get them from my personal experience and personal research. What I feel can be practical, I come and share with you. Over solutions that most of the things I tell you, I come here and share. I just bumped in there. Most of them we learned through mistakes. Did this mistake? Now I just don't want you to do the same mistakes. Okay, so when I have an idea, I come here and I share. Sharing is caring. This channel Atutaka is with love regardless. Whatever we do here, it's with love regardless of who you are, over where are you coming from, over you are land, over you are not land, over you are from where, black, white, red, green, yellow. Is there a yellow person? Green? No. Okay, wherever you are, it's not about whoever you are. Our theme is love. Okay, with love regardless. All right, so. And our main goal is to achieve financial independence, whatever we are doing here. Okay, so today's topic is how to grow or accumulate wealth with a small income. How do you grow your wealth when you're getting small income or small money? How to get out from recession. You've been... is it called recession? That point where the finances, you were down there in that hole, so many things going on, and you now setting off. Is that recession? Economists, how are you? Where are you? Come and correct us here. But then let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions or you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to know. The links are in the bio of whichever video, or in the in the description of each video, or in the bio. You check out Telegram. You can come and contact me directly, okay, on Telegram. Check the links. Okay, so now first tip is to apportion your income in percentages. Try to do that one. It will help you apportion your income in percentages. I like to be practical. Now, for example, you have to say, outline now. You have expenses, you have money that will be going to investment, a must, lazim. You have to have charity outlined there. Me, I believe in giving. If you want to grow wealthy, you give. Try today. Don't give more than what you have or what you can afford. Just give as little as whatever you can get, as the Lord leads you. Okay. Me, I'm a believer. I'm a Christian. I believe that God blesses a cheerful giver. So I believe from cheerful giving. I don't believe from giving of, oh my God, I'm suffering. I don't have rent, but I must give. People, me, I don't know, but let me know your opinions. Now, charity, luxury. You must have your luxury gundi also listed on that list. Luxury or self-treat. Then you have to list debts. You have to list emergency fund. So we have 5 things. Okay, if you have debts. If you don't have debts, raise up your hand. Don't put it there. But if you have debts, raise up your hand. Now include it there. That one is the one we can negotiate about. But the other ones of expenses, investments, charity, luxury or self-treat. Don't have to have billions of dollars before you can treat yourself good, before you can buy something that you love. It may be small, according to your earning. Here we are going to do things according to our earning, not what we shall earn in future, or what they are going to give us. No, what we earn apparently. You can keep adjusting those percentages as time goes on. Okay. So emergency fund, we have 5. Then 4 given. One is a negotiable. Okay, the one for debts. If you don't have debts, excuse me. Now, I just want to be practical with this. Guys, I'm coming from a history of coughing. Yeah, I'm now fine. I ate my onions. Check out that. I think I did that short video of onions and what the salad I ate. It really helped me. Check it out. Okay, now if you're getting like 1,000, now which currency should I use? I want to give you a live example. I use what currency? Let me use Ugandan shillings. 1 million. Okay. Not $1 million, 1 million Ugandan shillings. Now you have 1 million Ugandan shillings. Now, and you have investments. Now, in their order of priority, first you must put investment as first, second expenses. Before you spend, first remove money for investment. Then the third is charity. Then the fourth is debts if you have. If you don't have, okay, skip. Then the fifth is emergency fund. Then the last one is the luxury. You know, it's not a must, it's not a need, but it is a want, and you feel good, eh? Okay, if you're getting 1 million Ugandan shillings, my sisters, I know most of you, you maybe you're an expert where you went somewhere to you know, for greener pastures. I know you can afford 1 million Ugandan shillings. Okay, but now you say first investment. I'm not a disclaimer. I'm not a legalized financial advisor. Okay, these are my practical tips that I used that actually helped me. Okay, so don't be like, where did you study that one? We share tips. Okay, if you want financial legal advice, please visit a legal financial advisor. Okay, now 1 million shillings. Now 50%. Me, this is what I advise. 50%. If you're getting 1 million Ugandan shillings, don't even argue. That is around $300. Don't even argue like before even you start spending. Oh, I have to pay rent. I have to buy it. I don't have credit. First of all, half of that money investment. Then the half you have remained with. Start thinking of, oh, okay, I have expense. Okay, now let me not meander. 1 million Ugandan shillings. No manyante mitwala atano. 500 Ugandan shillings. This money I'm giving in Ugandan shillings. Okay, ignore the zeros. If you are calculating in Arab Emirate dirhams. Okay. Now 1 million Ugandan shillings. 50% investment. Then you're remaining with 500 Ugandan shillings. Now 500 Ugandan shillings. Now you apportion. Say the fourth one is debts if you have debts. The third, where is the third? Charity. Now after investment, you do the expenses. Number 2, expenses at least 30% of your income. Okay, then charity. After expenses, now you give core, because with giving you can get more. I'm telling you this for free. Not you're not paying anything, free. Charity, give at least 5%. That is around mitwali itan. Wobofuna kakadde mitwali itan with your 5%. Then 5%. Number 4 ediwa debts nayo nebera 5%. Oba ine banja ngomanya sente zonna zofuna ojjako 50%. Sorry, 5%. Excuse me. 5% for the debts, to cater for debts. If you don't have skip, now that 5 you can add it on another thing. Nenga, the main essence is you get those percentages. Okay, and then nogamba 5% is for emergency fund. Emergency fund keka sente kobera ko nakawo, the money petty cash you have that you can easily quota or spend on something that has come in miscellaneously or unexpectedly. So to all that can add up to 100. And yes, this thing is going to help you. Trust me. You can invest in an already existing business, or find someone you trust or an entity. You go, you invest there your money, and you know that every month they're going to be giving you this cap profit. After that, when you get more money, now you can go and invest in real estate. Okay, don't be here opening this car business, open the other one, open this one, open the other one. Focus. Me, I'm telling you, for free. Find somewhere you can invest your money. Then when it comes, you do real estate, buy land, buy houses, buy buildings, construct, and do all those good stuffs. So please like this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and if you have any questions, okay, and more suggestions, please. I'm so glad that I've done this. Thank you. Bye.